Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can install and connect your website with Jetpack plugin. Firstly, I need to visit my plugin section. After that, I have to click on add new plugin, and after that I have to search here with Jetpack. This is the plugin. So click on install now. After installation, click on activate. Now it's asking to activate Jetpack plugin. So I am clicking on activate Jetpack in one click. Okay, it's showing your site has been successfully connected. And after that, I am clicking on skip onboarding. You see, this plugin already installed and it's connected with your website. After that, you will get few options. We are going to explore all of the option one by one. So if you want to connect with AI, you can click on AI. After that, it's asking to connect your user account. So I am going to connect my WordPress.com account with this website. It's looking for your WordPress.com username. So I am giving my email address. After that, it asking for the password. Okay, click on login, approve. So right now our website already connected with Jetpack. After connection, it's giving me few options, but I want to start with Jetpack free. You should select this option. So I'm selecting here. After clicking here, AI is connected with my website. After connect to our website, we can visit all of the section from here. So I'm going one by one. Firstly, I need to go settings option. This is the most important option. So I'm clicking on settings, and here has few options in the top. So I will go with one by one. Firstly security, then performance, after that one by one. So right now I am on security tab. Here I can enable downtime monitoring. This is very important. If you enable this option, then when your website will be down, that time immediately you will get a email notification. So I prefer to enable this option. After that, you can enable firewall, protect your site with Jetpack web application firewall. So I love to enable this one also. After that, brute force protection, prevent bot and hackers from attempting to log in your website with common username and password combination. So if you enable it, they will not able to hack. And always allowed IP address. If you enable it, it will prevent Jetpack security features from blocking specific IP address. So I don't need this option, so I am not going to enable it. If you need to enable, you can enable it. After that, come to the WordPress login. Here has option allow user to log in your site using wordpress.com account. If you enable this option, when you will log into wordpress.com website, that time you can log in this website also. You don't need to give username password for this website. Okay, after that I am going to the performance section. So click on performance. So here has option performance and speed. Load page faster by allowing Jetpack to optimize your image and serve your image and static files like CSS and JavaScript from our global network. That means Jetpack global network. So it's a good option to enable speed. So I am giving enabling it. It will speed up image load time, speed up static file load time. So it's good. Then come to the media section. There has a video press. So if you want to enable this option, you can enable. Next, come to the writing section. Here, I think I don't need to enable anything. Next, come to the sharing option. So here has an option to share your blog post to your social network. So first option, I am going to enable it, Jetpack Social. After enabling it, it's indicating me to connect an account. That means you have to connect your social media account here. So if I click on connect an account, that time it's pop up me to connect Facebook, Instagram, Thread, LinkedIn and other social network. When you will publish a blog post, your blog post will share all of those social network immediately automatically. And next option is sharing button. So if you enable add sharing button, after that you will get a configure your sharing button option. Here you can select which social media icon you want to display below post to share. Those social media you have to connect, and after that you will get that social media icon below your post. It will display like this. Share this below, you will get Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and other social media icon, and just clicking here your post can share by the user. So I am going to the next section. If you wish, you can add a like button below your post or above your post, just enabling this option. After that, come to the discussion. If you enable this option, user can make comment below your post. If we go the traffic section, you can enable related post below your blog post by this feature. So as example, I am enabling this. After that, I am enabling highlight related content with heading. That means this heading will appear, category will appear below your blog post which is related to that blog post. And if you enable show a thumbnail image where available, it will be like this. So by this way you can display related posts. After that, there has a search engine optimization. I think it's not necessary. And come to the Blaze. Attract high quality traffic to your site using Blaze. If you want to enable, you can enable. Here is an option for short link. You can make short link of your blog post. Here has an option for sitemap. If you want to enable sitemap with Jetpack, you can do it just enabling this option. And if you want to verify your site with Google, Bing, Pinterest, Yandex, Facebook, you can use it from here. That's all. After that, there has two options, newsletter and monetize. I think those options are not very handy or helpful. So I never use those options. If you need to use, you can just enable which option is needed for you. You can just enable those options. Rest of the option you can skip or ignore. So here if I make a summary of my previous discussion, most important feature is security, after that performance, and rest of the things are not very important, but you can go one by one, and which is most important to you, you can enable, which is not important, you can disable. That's all. Okay, now I am going to the left side again, and if I go with state option, it's very handy feature. So I am clicking on states. If you come to the Jetpack state option, you can see your traffic state every day, how many visitor is visiting your website. For example, it's showing everyday data. Even when you are hovering the mouse, that time you can see how many view, how many visitor, view per visitor. That's very helpful. Same option have the Google Analytics also, but lots of people love to use this Jetpack state feature. Even they have the geography details also, which country visitor came your website, it will display, and how many external click was done by the visitor, it's also display, and which author already logged in, and what the search term, how your website was appear to the Google search, those search term also will be display here. So I already described all of the feature from the Jetpack plugin. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.